Hi there, thanks for joining this new slow life. My name's Erin, newly retired city girl, and I'm showing you a driftwood mirror. I thrifted the mirror from Goodwill for $10, and I had another video showing you how I started and finished, and guess what? Silence. So my mic wasn't on, so this is what you got. So I glued everything on, but I didn't get all of it quite done, and I wanted to show you. So I collected all of these and more on a local beach, and I have forever wanted to make this in a mirror. So I had to retire first because I couldn't find the time to feed my soul doing stuff like this. So now's the time, getting all my fun things done. So the cool thing is layering this more the better. So I loved this piece. And so what I do is I just kind of look where it's attaching, and I put my glue down, attaching here, and I put my glue down. And when you add these additional layers, it really gives it some depth. So I've got another one that sometimes I just do the bottom of it. And that has a home. So it took me about an hour to do this whole thing, not collecting it, of course, but 1 hour. $10 Goodwill item. And here is my finished product. Isn't it cool? I'm going to hang this on my fence in my garden, kind of tuck it in a little area to add interest, so that wherever you look in my garden, you'll have something beautiful to look at. So I want you guys to make a driftwood mirror. It's cheap, it's easy, and it fills your soul. I think you'll be so happy. So stick around for more of my crafting shenanigans. And thank you so much for joining me, and subscribe, and let's do more together. I love it. Okay, ciao for now.